Today on our radar is a versatile day trading and scalping strategy that combines two powerful indicators we've previously reviewed. Let's dive in. The MAST trend indicator is a trend-following tool that combines an adjustable simple moving average, SMA, with the super trend indicator to highlight market direction. The super trend settings include a multiplier and length, which can be adjusted by the user. The indicator changes color based on price positioning relative to both the SMA and super trend. When the price is above the SMA and super trend, it appears green, signaling an uptrend. If the price is below both, it turns red, indicating a downtrend. Blue and purple colors represent transitional states where the price is between the two. Additionally, the indicator plots stop levels for potential trend reversals. The Madrid trend squeeze indicator is designed to identify the most profitable phases of a trend, highlighting trend strength, potential reversals, and divergences. It primarily relies on a 34-period exponential moving average, EMA, as the base and calculates deviations from this average using different smoothing lengths. A squeeze condition occurs when all three colors in a trend align, green plus lime plus aqua as example, suggesting strong momentum. Yellow signals potential trend pauses, acting as a warning for reversals or a continuation signal. The indicator also helps spot divergences, where price action contradicts indicator readings. For example, if price makes a higher high while the indicator forms a lower high, it suggests weakening momentum and a possible trend reversal. By simplifying its input settings to just the EMA length, the Madrid trend squeeze focuses on clear visual cues for traders to assess trend strength, exhaustion, and potential re-entry points. Using both tools together helps capture trending moves while filtering out false signals. For maximum effectiveness, this strategy performs best after identifying clear trending conditions. The most reliable setups occur after a decisive breakout from a period of consolidation. These post-breakout trends typically offer stronger directional momentum and more favorable risk-reward profiles. By waiting for these established trend conditions rather than attempting to predict breakouts, traders can significantly increase their success rate and confidence in position management. Entry criteria for long positions. When the MAST trend indicator turns green, indicating price is above both the SMA and super trend, look for confirmation from the Madrid trend squeeze, showing alignment of green, lime, and aqua colors. This squeeze condition suggests strong momentum. The optimal entry occurs when both indicators align. Entry criteria for short positions. Enter short positions when the MAST trend indicator turns red, showing price below both the SMA and super trend, with confirmation from Madrid trend squeeze, displaying alignment of red, pink, and fuchsia colors. As with long positions, wait for both indicators to align after a pullback or consolidation. For scalping purposes, this strategy can be applied more aggressively without waiting for major breakouts. When all indicator conditions align, traders can take more frequent entries with tighter profit targets, though with potentially lower reliability than the trend-following approach. For long positions, place your stop loss slightly below the super trend line or the most recent significant swing low. For short positions, position the stop slightly above the super trend line or the most recent significant swing high. Consider taking partial profits when price has moved to a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, then again at a 2-to-1 ratio. Hold the remaining position until an exit signal appears. This approach balances securing profits while allowing winners to run. Exit signals. Watch for early warning signs when Madrid trend squeeze turns yellow, indicating a potential trend pause. Confirm exits when MAST trend changes color from green to purple for longs, or red to blue for shorts. Optimizing indicator settings. For MAST trend, super trend multiplier settings between 2.0 to 3.0 provide good results, with higher values reducing sensitivity. For Madrid trend squeeze, the default 34-period EMA often works well, though it can be adjusted to 21 for increased sensitivity or 55 for less sensitivity. Assess trend strength by observing color alignment in the Madrid trend squeeze. Strong trends show all three colors aligned, while moderate trends have two colors aligned. After a yellow signal in Madrid trend squeeze, wait for color alignment to resume before re-entering, and only if the main trend direction remains intact. This strategy performs best in markets with defined trends rather than ranging conditions, providing you with tools to identify not just trend direction, but also the strongest phases within trends for optimal trade management. We have recently introduced the complete QR Pro BST ecosystem. 1 workflow, 3 tools. Backtest your settings, scan for opportunities, and trade with confidence. Link in the description if you want to see how it works.